Welcome to Brian360 and welcome to the Ladies of Skogafoss. The meaning of that cryptic title will be explained in a few minutes, but welcome to Skogafos, one of many waterfalls in Iceland. We are currently ascending the stairs to see one of the two ways to experience Skogafos. It took about 9 minutes to get to the top, and ego aside, I was a little bit winded when I got there. But it was certainly worth the climb for the view, which we can see right now, almost at the top. Now I should point out that it is redundant to call this place Skogafos Falls, as the foss part of Skogafos indicates that we are dealing with, well, waterfalls. We don't say Niagara Falls, and we certainly shouldn't say tuna fish. It's tuna. It's a fish. No need to clarify. So it's just Skogafos, not Skogafos Falls. For those of you who are afraid of heights, the viewing platform is probably not for you, especially with the see-through metal platform. You do get a decent view of the waterfalls, and it is even better when you have a 3-meter selfie stick extended and a 360 camera on the end. Now at the very bottom of your screen you can see two figures getting covered by mist from the waterfalls. I mentioned there are two good ways to see the falls, but that is actually the third, and that is where we will find the Ladies of Skogafoss. If you want to extend your hike a little bit further, you can follow the path on the right to go a little more upstream from the falls. Keep an eye out for some grazing sheep, which are a very common sight in Iceland. Now coming into view is yours truly with the black jacket and red collar, holding a selfie stick that the software is miraculously able to make invisible. And to the right of me in the green jacket is my brother Scott, waiting patiently for me to get my shot. We are now approaching the second way to view Skogafos, that being the ground level view. Even at this distance, I'm getting some mist on my camera lens. Even though the Insta 360 camera is waterproof, there are no little windshield wipers to wipe off the mist from the lens, unfortunately. Mist will become a greater problem as this video goes on. Here's one of the things that I love about the 360 camera. I'm just standing here, not moving, and you can rotate the view with the 360 camera with the software when you're playing with it at home, like I'm doing now. Now at the end of the pathway to the right approaching the falls is where you have a choice to make. Do you go around the corner for the third and most impressive view of Skogafos? Well, since I have a YouTube channel, I have no choice but to venture on. And this is what it looks like. I did mention that mist would become a problem for my camera, and it is becoming a problem right now. Now off in the distance, those are the 4 Ladies of Skogafoss. They are having a great time, and I had a grin on my face as I was recording this. These 4 young ladies are about 5 years older than my daughter, and I could just imagine my daughter here with her friends doing the same thing, getting absolutely drenched and not having a care in the world about it, just having a great time. They are not the only ones getting drenched. I am soaked. I am wearing a waterproof jacket, waterproof pants, and it's doing nothing at this point. Anyway, as I was walking away, one of the young ladies asked me to take a picture with her cell phone with a waterproof case. So I was more than happy to help out. And then I asked, hey, do you want to be part of my YouTube video? I have a channel. They were thrilled, and I got this. Thank you very much to the Ladies of Skogafoss for making this an even more enjoyable experience and bringing a smile to my face right now. Hopefully you were able to find my channel. I did mention it, and I really hope you can watch this so you have a very nice souvenir of your time getting drenched in Skogafoss in Iceland. So there I am a drowned rat making my way back to my mother and brother after getting soaked at Skogafoss. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.
Saw it. Woo. That was fun.